I lead a team of cybersecurity researchers, and we discovered that if you have this sticker on your car, you're likely to be vulnerable to an attacker taking control of it using only an off-the-shelf smartphone. I'm Aaron Schulman, an associate professor of computer science and engineering at UC San Diego. This threat comes from a vulnerability that we discovered in a Bluetooth-controlled security system that's installed in cars sold by many dealerships across the southwestern United States. Since 2017, we estimate it's been installed in over 2 million cars sold by dealers of many popular brands, including Honda, Toyota, Mazda, Ford, and Jeep. With a malicious smartphone app, we found that an attacker can authenticate with any car that has this system. They can unlock the car's doors even when the owner is away. So we're not aware of anyone actively exploiting this vulnerability, but to prevent future threats, our team notified the vendor and they developed an update that you can install to mitigate the threat. Check under your dashboard. If you see this button, your car likely has the vulnerable system installed. And this update needs to be installed even if you're a vehicle owner who didn't activate the system when you bought your car at the dealership, because unfortunately we found that an attacker can still successfully re-enable it. Another reason to update is that we found this system may make it a lot easier and more stealthy for car thieves to steal cars. The attacker will be able to use the vulnerable system to unlock the car's doors and get inside the car. Once they're inside, car thieves can use locksmith key cloning tools to extract the key from your car's computer and then use it to start your car's ignition and unfortunately then drive away.